It has arrived, guys. Let's do an unboxing of the new performance part. Now, this took a little while to get here. And there it is. It's their series, I think, what do they call it? A stage 2 short ram intake with the turbo inlet pipe. Now I went with this one as opposed to Cobb because it comes with the turbo inlet pipe. This was, I don't know, $255 or so on their website, and Cobb wanted $180, I think, for just a turbo inlet pipe, which they seem like the same, you know, the same design. So I'm gonna try to run the stage 1 tune with it. We'll see how that goes. Now this is a lot smaller than I was picturing. Wow. Look at this thing is tiny. Well, and it's powder coated black steel, I guess. I went all black. So we should have all the couplers and everything to install this guy. Yep, that looks like the turbo inlet coupler. Yep. So we got a turbo inlet coupler. We got the other hose silicone coupler for the air filter, or probably the MAF housing that's there. Got these all black clamps. Wow, these aren't even the warm gear clamps. These are T-clamps, so these are even better. So that's good. Anodized aluminum MAF housing. Let's put this out of here. Nice. So it's got an air, I don't know, straightener. How well does that work? Has anybody got something to test that? Kind of analyzer? Shows the airflow. New screws for the MAF. It's nice. In there. So we got our couplers. And this should just be the air filter that came with it. Again, I went all black. I don't like flashy stuff. And I guess this filter doesn't need to be oiled, I guess. So that's even better. Alright. So I'm excited to get this on and see how it sounds. Alright, so we'll do an install video.